Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Django. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to configure login and logout functionality with Django's built-in user automation system. This is the first in a three-part series that also covers sign-up and password reset for a complete user automation flow in your future Django projects. This tutorial assumes you're already familiar with how to configure a new Django project. Start by creating a new Django project. This code can live anywhere on your computer. On a Mac, the desktop is a convenient place and that's where we'll put this code. We can do all of the normal configuration from the command line. Create a new Django auth directory for our code on the desktop. Create a new virtual environment called .venv and active it. Install Django, create a new Django project called Django project, create a new split database with migrate, land the local server. Let's make our login page. Django by default will look within a templates folder called registration for auth templates. The login template is called login.html. Create a new directory called template and within it another directory called registration. Then create a template/registration/login.html file with your text editor. This is a standard Django form using POST to send data and text for security concerns, namely to prevent as a CSRF attack. The form's contents are output between paragraphs, text thanks to form.sp, and then we add a submit button. Next, update the settings.py file to tell Django to look for a templates folder at the project level. Update the DIRS setting within templates as follows. This is a one-line change. Our login functionality now works, but to make it better, we should specify where to redirect the user upon a successful login. In other words, once a user has logged in, where should they be sent on the site? We use the login redirect URL settings to specify this route. At the bottom of the settings PI file, add the following to redirect the user to the home page. We're actually done at this point. If you now start up the Django server again within python manage.py run server and navigate to our login page at the http://127.0.0.1:8000/account/login/, you'll see the following. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.